Hi everyone and welcome to Smart Culture Education. This is the place where we make learning simple, clear and engaging. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you can join us on this journey of mastering maths, science and more.
Okay, so we are given three functions. F of x equals 7x minus 4, g of x equals 2x over x minus 3, where x is not equal to 3, and h of x is equal to x squared. Remember, when we see something like g of 6, then like g brackets 6, then we say g of 6. So this means we substitute 6 wherever we see x in the function g. Okay, so now let's look at g of x. The function is 2x over x minus 3. So to find g of 6, we replace x with 6. So it's quite simple. Let's quickly do that. G of 6 is equal to 2 times 6. So remember, instead of writing x, we write 6 because we have to replace x with 6. Again, instead of writing x, we will write 6. So what is 2 times 6? That's equal to 12. What is 6 minus 3? That's equal to 3. What is 12 divided by 3? That's equal to 4. So that means g of 6 is equal to 4. Wonderful, guys. Let's move on to part B. So now we need to find fg of 4. Okay, so it's f of g of 4. This means we must work from the inside first. Now the inside function is g of 4. Now remember, g of x is equal to 2x divided by x minus 3. So now we are going to work out what is g of 4. So g of 4 is equal to 2 multiplied by 4 divided by 4 minus 3. Okay, so 2 times 4 is equal to 8 and 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So 8 over 1 is equal to 8, so g of 4 is equal to 8. Now remember, we must find f of g of 4. So now we must use this answer of 8 inside f. Okay, now since g of 4 is equal to 8, we now find f of 8. So we replace x with 8. We know that f of x is equal to 7x minus 4. So instead of writing x, we write 8. What is 7 times 8? That is equal to 56. What is 56 minus 4? That is equal to 52. So f of 8 is equal to 52. Okay, so f of g of 4 is equal to 52. Now let's have a look at the next question. So now we have to find f of h of x. This means we take the whole function h of x and we substitute it into f. Now we know that h of x is equal to x squared. And we know that f of x is equal to 7x minus 4. So wherever we see x in f of x, we replace it with h of x, which is x squared. So that means we'll write it like this. f of h of x is equal to 7. Now remember, instead of writing x, we replace it with h of x, and h of x is equal to x squared. Okay, what is 7 times x squared? That gives us 7x squared. Okay, and it's already in its simplest form. So that is your final answer.
Thank you for watching today's video on Smart Culture Education. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to stay updated, tap the notification bell so you never miss our next lesson. See you in the next video.